How to access pandas groupby data frame by key. How do I access the corresponding groupby data frame in a groupby object by the key? With the following groupby. I can iterate through it to get the keys and groups. I would like to be able to access a group by its key. But when I try doing that with gbfoo, I get this weird pandas.core.groupby.dataframe groupby object thing which doesn't seem to have any methods that correspond to the data frame I want. The best I could think of is but this is kind of nasty, considering how nice pandas usually is at these things. What's the built-in way of doing this?
You can use the get_group method. Note, this doesn't require creating an intermediary dictionary copy of every subdata frame for every group, so will be much more memory efficient than creating the naive dictionary with dict_gb. This is because it uses data structures already available in the groupby object. You can select different columns using the groupby slicing.
Wes McKinney, Pandas author, in Python for data analysis provides the following recipe, which returns a dictionary whose keys are your group labels and whose values are data frames, i.e., will yield what you are looking for.
Rather than, I prefer using gb.groups, because in this way you can choose multiple columns as well. For example,
if you are looking for selective groupy objects, then do gb_groups.keys, and input desired key into the following key_list.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.